Hello, everyone. My name is Omoyemeh Jennifer Ile. Welcome to my talk on the human dimensions of growing bioenergy trees. I'm a PhD student in the Department of Forestry and Environmental Resources at North Carolina State University. And here I've been working on bioenergy trees, and I've been evaluating their biomass productivity and their impact on soil and chemical physical properties. So let's get down to the talk. So um, based on the results I've gotten from my work, I believe that farmers can benefit from growing bioenergy trees because they are short rotation woody crops. That means that they can be harvested in a short length between 3 to 5 years. And they are also clean, renewable, sustainable form of biomass energy that can be integrated into combined energy food production systems. And like I said earlier, improve agricultural soil health. In addition, because of the enormous forest acreage we have in the southeastern US, we have seen an influx of wood pellet mills that has then, improved the forest market in our region. Regardless of the environmental and economic benefits of short rotation woody crops, there have been drawbacks to its adoption among farmers and landowners. Social networking, actor diagramming, and extension training are important factors that could change the perception of farmers into adopting growing trees. So the objective of this study was to use stakeholder suggestions to develop an innovation that promote the growing of bioenergy trees among farmers and landowners. So the methods I used, I started with an actor diagramming approach. Like I said, it's a key instrument into understanding perceptions of individuals. And here I identified interest groups and stakeholders, people that could positively influence or negatively influence the adoption process, as well as organizations. I also did some literature reviews and interviews. And then I did a behavioral change theory integration into my study, and I was able to highlight three relevant theories. The first is the norms component that explains that individuals are willing to participate in a desired behavioral change if they are in member groups or if they interact with their social network that's already participating in the said behavior. The second one is the goal frame theory that explains that individuals are willing to be more pro-environmental if there's a form of gain for them. It could be financial gain, or it could be a pleasure gain. The third is the advanced information strategies that explain that creating awareness, teaching, and education are ways that are instruments that can be used in um, promoting pro-environmental behaviors among individuals. And then I did a competitor analysis. I did that to themize customer reviews to other products that I've tried to promote the growing of trees. I also used it to themize various strengths and weaknesses of other products so I could refine my own model. And then I did a participatory prototyping session with some of my interviewees. And these are some of the results I got from the sessions. And I did that also to be able to identify constraints and possibilities of my model. And like I said, these are the results I got. And then I came up with an online course for extension agents. The title of the course is Growing Bioenergy Trees Benefit for Farmers and Landowners. And based on my interview results and the sessions, the literature reviews, I came up with these modules. The most interesting one for me is the market for your trees that incorporates sustainability standards that is required by wood pellet companies and also soil conservation agencies that farmers and landowners have to meet. So that was the result of this study. Since extension agents are the one stop for farmers and landowners, it's very adequate for them to be able to take this course and teach farmers how to grow the trees. So in conclusion, extension agents, I prefer online courses that are asynchronous. The actor diagramming and participatory prototyping session is necessary in developing innovations that would encourage pro-environmental behavior. And there are four factors that markedly influence the adoption process: the market availability, education awareness, funding, and social networking. I'd like to thank Dr. Tifina for teaching this class, and I would also like to thank Dr. King for letting me work on bioenergy trees. I would also like to thank you all for listening to my talk today. Thank you.